Your scalp might be crawling right now, and you don't even know it. Look closely, those aren't flakes. They are nits, lice eggs cemented firmly to the hair shafts. And there it is, a live louse, caught in the act. If you're itching, you're actually having an allergic reaction to their saliva. But there is a solution. 1% permethrin is the gold standard and is safe for children as young as 2 months. To use it effectively, start by washing the hair with a normal shampoo, but never use conditioner, as it coats the hair and protects the lice from the treatment. On clean, slightly damp hair, apply a generous amount of permethrin lotion. Pay special attention to the hot zones, behind the ears and at the nape of the neck. Set the clock for 10 minutes to let the medication work its magic, then rinse thoroughly with plain water. Now comes the critical step, the Nit Pick. Use a fine-toothed comb to manually remove every egg and dead louse from the strands. Finally, remember the golden rule, you must repeat this entire process in exactly 7 days to kill any newly hatched survivors. Treat close contacts, wash your bedding in hot water, and say goodbye to the itch for good. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe.